nigga.
Yo, CT Gang, we back with another video. You know, y'all might ask, why the fuck do I got on all this shit? You feel what I'm saying? Why do I got on all these clothes? Y'all might ask why I got on this ski mask that don't fit on my fucking face. Y'all might ask why I got on the Hellstar jacket with another jacket on, with 2 pairs of fucking joggers, and you feel me? Because I got something special for y'all again. When I go outside, bro, y'all gonna see one of the best scenes y'all ever fucking seen in your motherfucking life, gang. It looks so beautiful outside right now, bro. All I can do is thank Jesus. I pray for this, bro. It's snowing, bro. And I thank God, bro. I pray for this. I wanted to see some snow, gang. That shit it's snowing. Like, it damn near might snow until nighttime. That's how long it's gonna snow. Like, we get so much snow, and all I can do is thank the man above. Like I tell y'all every video, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, get the video to 5 likes. You feel what I'm saying? I thank y'all for everything, bro. No, like literally everything. Y'all might not be able to hear me, but I thank y'all for everything. You feel what I'm saying? I love y'all niggas, bro. TikTok supporters, y'all niggas been going stupid. My YouTube supporters, y'all niggas been going stupid. I got a second video, and I did make a video yesterday. So why y'all motherfuckers try to play me like I ain't dropped no video? It's coming out today, nigga. But this video coming out after that. I can't wait to go outside and show y'all motherfuckers what's going on. This gonna be Diamond. I don't think Diamond really remembers the snow, her first time in the snow, because she was a baby. She was a kid. She was a little girl. Now she's all grown up and shit, you feel what I'm saying? She's right here with me. So I'm gonna take her outside, and I want to get her reaction and see how she plays in the snow, see what she does. I got her a little thing just in case she wants to go on a walk. I gotta get some gloves though, and I'm gonna be straight. I'm gonna catch up with y'all niggas when I go outside. Peace. Alright, I'm finna go outside and show y'all this fantastic scene. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all see this shit? My fault, Diamond. Y'all see this shit, bro? Look at this, chat. Oh, this fucking snow, my nigga. It's really snowing in this bitch, bro. For real. We finna, look, she going straight to the front. She know what time it is. I had to bring my dog outside again. Like, anytime I get the chance to bring my dog, bro, you can see my forehead like a motherfucker. I'm trying not to drop my phone, but anytime I can bring my dog out and do this shit, I'm grateful. Come on this way, Dom. We going up and down the street with it, you feel me? This shit is just majestic, man. I didn't know it was gonna snow like this. This fucking crazy, gang. It's still early as hell, so I'm trying not to be so loud, you feel me? They still got their Christmas shit up. But look at her, y'all. She loving this shit. Look. My phone wet as fuck, y'all. Y'all see her? She love this shit. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Look at her. I'm dead. She over here running in the snow. I knew my baby loved the snow. You feel me? Look, why wouldn't you love the snow, gang? And I got my beats on under here, so like, I'm finna listen to some good ass music for real. Oh shit, my fault, Diamond. I ain't mean to step on your collar. I'm surprised the cars are still even like out here. Motherfuckers got their windshield wipers up and shit. You feel me? But we lit. I ain't been outside like, I haven't seen it snow like this in so fucking long. It just looks so fucking like amazing, gang. You feel what I'm saying? This shit it's just tough. Gotta make sure she okay. I know I'm okay, gang. I can take this shit. But her, I don't know. And I got Benjamin on me, ready to hit that bitch anytime. Stamp that. Finna post up though. Let's go this way. It's the next day, you feel what I'm saying? It still snowed the fuck out, bro. You feel me? It stopped snowing though. You feel what I'm saying? But I love the snow, gang. That's one thing about this type of weather. I think my camera's snow. Nah, it's just the fucking snow. That's one thing about this weather I love. This is real snow, cause this shit was sticky, gang. Like this shit was real sticky, bro. Like, I'm finna show y'all, gang. Like the video I'm finna drop, I was doing all sorts of crazy shit. You feel me? Like this is hella sticky, bro. Like, look at this. Watch this, bitch. I'm dead. I was throwing snowballs at her yesterday. Missing. I gotta lock in. Bitch. I ain't gonna miss this one. I understand it now. I guess I don't. I understand it now. Fuck. Hold on. I understand it now. Bitch. She moved it away that time. I'm dead. Use the restroom, little girl. That's why we out here anyway, bro. It's cold as fuck. You feel me? It's too fucking cold to be out here for long, gang. Way too motherfucking cold. She trying to play with the damn snowball. That's how you know the snow so damn tight. She's able to like play with the snowballs and shit. Like, look at her. My baby. You feel what I'm saying? She loves the snow, bro. It's her second time in the snow. You feel what I'm saying? Oh, she got zoomies. I can tell. Look at her. She's zooming all over the place. That's the end of this video. Y'all probably can hear my rain in the background. Live, love, laugh. I thank y'all boys for liking and subscribing. You feel what I'm saying? What a wonderful snow day. You feel what I'm saying? Plenty more content coming tomorrow. 77 fucking views on the last video. I thank y'all boys, bro. And we got 7 likes, nigga. We passed the like goal for the first time. We on a new level. 2025, I told y'all niggas it was gonna be my year. Peace.